6 methods of multiplication. Children, today we are going to see 6 methods for multiplication. First is column method, doubling method, split method, box multiplication method, lattice multiplication method, and the last is Japanese multiplication method. So let us start with the method doubling method. So in this we will consider the example 12 into 6. Children, here the first step is to make the multiplicand half. Here the multiplicand is 12. So we will make 12 half and then we will multiply 6 with multiplier 6 and we got the product 36. Now in step 2, we will make the product, that is 36 double. So if we multiply 36 into 2, that is 72. So the double of 36 is 72. Children, here let us revise the concept again. First step, we have to make multiplicand half, that is 12 becomes 6. Then the product, we have to make it double, that means 36 becomes 72. And 72 is the answer of the multiplication. In this, we are going to consider the example 4321 into 2. In this, we have to first consider the expanded form of the multiplicand. So, 4000 plus 300 plus 20 plus 1. And we have to multiply by the multiplier 2. Children, here we will go step by step. First, 2 will multiply to 4000. That means 4000 into 2, which is 8000. Then 2 will multiply with 300, that is 300 into 2, that means 600. Next, 2 will multiply with 20 and 20 into 2 is 40. And the last, 2 will multiply with 1, that is 2 into 1 is 2. Children, here we have to add all the numbers, and after adding all the numbers we got here 8642. So children, in this method we are splitting the multiplicand. That's why we are saying multiplicand, split method of multiplication. And the next method is box multiplication method. In this, we are going to consider the expanded form of multiplicand as well as the multiplier. And we have to draw the boxes as per the digits in the multiplicand and the digits in the multiplier. Therefore, we are having here 4 columns and 2 rows. Here first column we got here the multiplication 80,000. So we will write down in the answer also. Then in the next rectangle 300 into 20. So the product is 6,000. So again we will write down the product 6,000 down. In next rectangle we will take 20 into 20 and the answer of the multiplication is 400. So write down 400 again, and in the next rectangle 1 into 20. So that means 20. So write down 8 again down. Now we will start second row, and in second row first column we got 4000 into 3 and the answer is 12,000. We have written again down. Then next one's rectangle we got 300 into 3, that is 900, and we have to write down it again down. Now next rectangle we are having the multiplication 20 into 3 and the product is 60. So we have to write down 60, and in the last one rectangle we got 1 into 3, that is 3. Now we are going to add all the numbers for the answer, and after adding all the numbers we got here the answer 99,383. So children, here in box multiplication method we got the answer 99,383. I hope children box method is clear to you. Now let us go for the next one method, that is column method. We will take the same example and we will check the answer by column method. Here we have taken the same example and let us do the multiplication by column method. Now here we have to take the expanded form of the multiplier. Then we have to start from unit place digit, that is 3. 3 ones are 3. Then you have to write down 3 in unit place column. Then 3 twos are 6 in tens place column. Then 3 threes are 9. It is 100 place column, and 3 fours are 12. So it will go in 1000 and 10,000 column. Like this we are using the columns. So children, in tens place digit of multiplier, that is 20. So we will take that 0 down and only 2 we will use for the multiplication. So 2 ones are 2, we will write down in the column of tens. Then 2 twos are 4, next column. Then 2 threes are 6, that will come in thousands column. And 2 fours are 8. Children, we have to add these two numbers, and we got here 3, 8, 13, 1 carry over, and here 9 and 9. So we got the answer 99,383, which we got in the box multiplication method also. So children, why it is called column method? Because we are using the columns according to the periods, like ones column, tens column, hundreds column, thousands column, and 10,000s column. Like this we are using the columns here for the multiplication in column multiplication method. Now children, we are going to see next method, that is lattice multiplication method. Here also we will use the same example, but here children we will not use the expanded form. We are going to use the digits as it is given in the numbers, and we have to write down all the column numbers and rows number here. Children, here we need to consider the diagonals of each and every rectangle. So first we will draw the rectangles, and then afterward we will take the multiplication according to the rules. So we will consider here the first rectangle, that is 4 into 2. 4 twos are 8, but we will write down 0, 8 in the diagonals and in the first rectangle. Let us consider second one, 3 twos are 6, that is 0, 6. Then 2 twos are 4, 0, 4. 1 twos are 2, that is 2, but we have to write down 0. Then second row, we will consider first column, second row. 4 3s are 12. So 1 and 2 we have to write down according to the diagonals. Then 3 3s are 9, that is 0 9. Then 2 3s are 6, that means 0 6. And the last rectangle, 1 3s are 3, that is 0 3. So children, here we have to consider the diagonals one by one. Let us start from right side. First diagonal is 3. So we will write down this 3 at the unit place of the answer. Then we will consider the next diagonal, which I am showing you by green color. In this we have to add all the numbers, that means 6 plus 0 plus 2 is 8. So 8 will go on the tens place in the answer. Then we will consider third diagonal column and we will add all the numbers 9 plus 0 plus 4 plus 0, that is 13. Here 3 will come in the answer and 1 will go as a carryover to next diagonal column. So next diagonal column we will consider, that is 2 plus 0 plus 6 and plus 0. We got here the sum 9. So 9 is only one digit, so 9 will come in the answer at thousands place. Then we will consider next diagonal column and we will add the numbers 1 plus 8 plus 0, that is 9. Again we have to write down 9 at 10,000th place in the answer. And the last column we got 0. So 0 will come in the lakh period. So here we got the answer 99,383. The same answer we got in box multiplication also and in the column multiplication also. Now children, we will see the last method, that is Japanese method for the multiplication. Here we will consider the example 13 in 21. So children, here first we will write down 1 and 3 in this manner because we have to draw the slanting lines according to number. As there is only 1, so we will draw 1 line, and for 3 we will draw 3 lines. Now in the multiplier 2 and 1, so we will draw 2 lines, slanting line and 1 line over there as I have shown. Now we will consider the cross points. All cross points I have highlighted by blue color, and then we are going to see the different zones. So I have shown you different zones. In first zone from the right side we got 3 cross points, and I will show that cross points by red color. So 1, 2 and 3. So 3 cross points we got in first zone from right side to left side. So in second one we got all the cross points, if we count total are 7. So we will write down 7 in second zone, and in the third zone we got only 2 cross points. So children, here the number 273 we have to write down as it is in the answer that is 273. I hope children Japanese method is also clear to you, and all the methods, that is column method, doubling method, split method, box multiplication method, lattice multiplication method, and Japanese method. All 6 methods are clear to you. Thank you.